How to sign into your AOL Mail account. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your AOL Mail account. Go ahead and open up your web browser and simply search for AOL Mail login. Hit enter and then you'll see the AOL Mail login right here, login.aol.com. Go ahead and open this up. Here you're just going to have to provide your email address or username and then tap on next. And if you want to stay signed in, just go ahead and click on stay signed in. And if you have somehow forgotten your username, click on this. It will help you recover your username. Now tap on next. If they say that they don't recognize this email address, just double check that you're actually using your email address. And then finally, you can just tap on next and you'll be taken to the enter password page. From there, just enter your password and you should be able to log into your account. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.